Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix storage almost full error. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. First is Clear Cache app. You have to go to settings and then go to your storage, or you can just basically long press the application, go to app info, and then here you have to scroll down and look for storage usage. Tap on storage usage and then click Clear Cache. Repeat this for large application. Step 2. Uninstall unused application. What you're going to do here is you have to look for large application and then uninstall. So you just have to simply uninstall games, tools, or old application you no longer use, especially if these applications are big files and it somehow use the large space or storage of your phone. Next is go to your folder and then look for duplicate. Here you can open the files by Google app, go to downloads and delete unnecessary files like PDFs or APKs. You can use the clean feature in files by Google to remove. You can also delete a duplicate files right here like photos, documents, and so on. So that's it. Now, the next method to fix storage almost full is to do factory reset. So you just have to simply back up everything first, go to settings, system, reset options. You can reset or you can also erase all data. So I really hope that after following any of this method, it will somehow fix storage almost full error. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.